Have you ever tried reversing your car in a tight parking spot and felt that moment of panic when you can't see what's behind you? Maybe it's a low curb, a bike, or even worse, a small object you completely missed. That's exactly the kind of problem a good backup camera should solve. Today, you're going to see whether the Auto-Vox solar wireless backup camera with a 5-inch 1080 pixel monitor actually makes reversing easier and safer. So make sure you watch until the end. And before we start, make sure you subscribe for more car gear tips and reviews. Also check the links in the description to find the best deals on this camera. One of the first things you notice about this camera is how ridiculously easy it is to install. Instead of dealing with complicated wiring through your vehicle, you simply mount the camera near your license plate and connect the monitor inside the car. Because it's solar powered with a built-in battery, you avoid most of the messy installation work. In fact, the whole setup really can take just a couple of minutes. If you've ever installed traditional backup cameras, you'll immediately appreciate how convenient this is. When you actually start using it, the 1080p monitor makes a big difference. The image is sharp enough that you can clearly see obstacles behind your car, even small ones. The wireless signal is stable too, which is impressive considering it can reach up to about 52 feet. That means it works well, not only for cars, but also for SUVs, vans, trucks, or even trailers. Rain and car washes aren't a problem either because the camera's waterproof design keeps the image clear. What really makes this camera stand out is the solar charging. You don't have to constantly worry about battery life, and the system feels truly wireless. That convenience alone makes daily driving a lot easier. You'll appreciate this camera most if you drive an SUV, truck, or any vehicle where rear visibility isn't great. It's also perfect if you want a backup camera but don't want to deal with complicated wiring. Overall, this feels like a practical upgrade that actually improves your daily driving experience. If you're interested in buying it, check the link in the description to find the best deals on this camera. And if you've used a backup camera before, let me know your experience in the comments. Finally, don't forget to subscribe for more car gear reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video this week.